Hello everyone, let's see a complete set of Ultra Hots Mix 2 shot by Ministry of Diecast YouTube channel. You can check an unboxing episode of this set, so check out the links in the description. A Nissan Silvia S15 Drift in metallic purple with different colors on wheels. A 1967 Shelby GT500 in golden with chrome wheels. A 1971 Chevy El Camino in two-tone color concept with golden wheels. A 1971 Brazilian Dodge Charger in metallic brown with golden wheels. A 1970 Pontiac Firebird in satin green with 5-spoke gold wheels. A Honda Civic Si in satin blue with chrome wheels. A Volkswagen SP2 in green with chrome wheels. A Mercury Cougar in satin red with chrome wheels. A 2023 Matchbox 9-pack exclusive. A 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. The metallic blue Cherokee Trailhawk is an exclusive deco for a 9-pack release. A 2023 Matchbox 9-pack exclusive. A 2020 Honda E. The Honda E model by Matchbox is released in an exclusive grey deco as a part of this pack. A 2023 Matchbox 9-pack exclusive, a MBX field car. The MB1243 casting of a Matchbox original design called the MBX field car gets a special Matchbox Adventures World Tour deco for this 9-pack release. A 2022 Matchbox Moving Parts number 15 out of 50, a 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. The Matchbox MB426 casting of the Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL is a fresh new model. A 2022 Matchbox Moving Parts number 31 out of 50, a 1964 Chevy C10 pickup. The MB1267 casting of a C10 pickup truck was first released as a part of High Label Metal Creations line. A 2022 Matchbox Moving Parts number 33 out of 50, a Porsche 550 Spider. This black version of a Porsche 550 model is one of the favorite version. Let's see a new models released by Mini GT. A Nissan Silvia Pandem S15. Color of a car green. Material made from diecast. The release date of a car is April 2023. A Nissan Skyline GTR R34 V-Spec 2. N1. Color of a car white. Material made from die-cast. Release date of a car is April 2023. A Lamborghini LB Silhouette Works Aventador GT Evo. Color of a car matte black. Material made from die-cast. The release date of a car is April 2023. A Bugatti Divo. Color of a car red metallic. Material made from die-cast. The release date of a car is April 2023. A Lancia Stratos HF. Color of a car 1979 Rally MonteCarlo winner. Material made from die-cast. Release date of a car is April 2023. A Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Color of a car twisted orange. Material made from die-cast. Release date of a car is April 2023. A Mini GT give 2022 edition cars. A Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in blue and pink. This pic was shot by Alvin's project. Thanks for sharing this pic. The celebrations of a performance, technology and art. So pre-order this Pagani Zonda Revolution new via authorized resellers. So book yours now. Releasing. The very rarely show the packaging designs of a post. Here are the OB64 and Road 64 cars in their packaging boxes for an upcoming drop on Monday and December 19th. And the last car for today's episode is from Time Micro. Model Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Color of the cars are Gulf and Advan. Material made from die-cast. The release date of these cars are on March 2023. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further updates.